Take a ride in the 2002 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, cruise control, power outlet, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.